Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fikro Khabar. You are watching Islamic World today. Turkey deports 11 French citizens over Daesh links. Mukams has a part of Turkey policy of extradition foreign Daesh members to their home countries. Turkey-Libya maritime pact not threat to other states. Defense minister says he expects NATO to fulfill its responsibility to Turkey and US and Russia to hold deals on northern Syria. Qatari ministers in Riyadh to prepare for Gulf Summit. GCC Summit to open in Saudi Arabia on Tuesday. Qatar Amir flies to Rwanda before Gulf Summit to open in Saudi Arabia on Tuesday. Rocket attack injures 6 fighters in Iraqi capital. No group has claimed responsibility for the attack. Libya Haftar forces repelled. Multinational forces loyal to East Libya based military commander fails to enter capital. Sudan has reduced its forces in Yemen to 5,000 pm. There is no military solution to the Yemeni war, says Abdullah Hamdok. Algeria observes electoral silence ahead of polls. Algeria will vote on Thursday to elect new president. Nigeria army rescues 31 people from Boko Haram. 14 women and 17 children rescued in security operation in northeast, says army spokesman. Rohingya campaigner launches Myanmar boycott movement. Several Rohingya advocacy groups launches movement to put economic, cultural, diplomatic and political pressure on Myanmar. Turkey calls for more international investment in Afghanistan. Turkey to do its best to eradicate Daesh terror group from Afghanistan, Turkish President Erdogan says. Pakistan inaugurates first scientific tech park. Move is a step toward creating knowledge-based economy, says Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan.